everyone, it's Cottontail, and today I'm going to be reacting to Life of Luxury's newest video. Her stuffed animal comes to life at night. And I am a Life of Luxury fan, but this is going to be like my first ever Life of Luxury video reacting to it on YouTube. So, anyway, shout out to Life of Luxury. They do amazing videos, and if you want to go check out their channel, go check them out. And if you want to, you can subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and press the bell so you're always notified every time I post a new video. And that's it. So anyway, enough talking, let's get right into the video.
So for this episode, we received an email from a mother named Helen who is concerned about her daughter's unhealthy attachment to one of her stuffed animals. Helen isn't sure where her daughter found this stuffed animal, but she refuses to be separated from it, and she named it Wiggles. Her daughter doesn't like—
Okay, I'm sorry for pausing, but I feel like when we were all little, we all had like a stuffed animal when we were like babies, or maybe when we were like, I know I had a couple stuffed animals. I still have some. Some of them I can't find, but I have a couple of stuffed animals. Anyway.
The stuffed animal leave her sight, and any attempt the mom has made to separate her from it leads to her screaming hysterically until she's allowed to be with it again. She's worried her daughter is losing her mind, and she sent us this video for proof.
Alright, let's see the proof.
Honey?
Is that? Okay. I just gotta pause. That stuffed animal is huge. If it even is a stuffed animal. For all we know, it could be a demon. Or at least, that's normally what's in the videos. Anyway. What is she feeding it?
God.
Is that meat? Oh gosh, I looked at her.
Her husband recently went missing, and she thinks this has caused her daughter to have attachment and abandonment issues.
Okay.
She's worried for her daughter's mental health, so she wants us to drive to her house and observe how her daughter behaves when she's alone with Wiggles. Let's go.
Can't wait to see Wiggles.
Dude, why do you want to film this lady's daughter? It's just a stuffed animal.
This isn't about a stuffed
eating.
animal. This is about a young girl's mental health.
What do you know about mental health? It's your parents' job to worry about that.
Oh.
Her mom is worried. That's why she emailed us. And her dad went missing.
Did you ever think maybe—
Have they never questioned it? Have the mother not questioned how he went missing? Okay, I'm sorry for pausing a lot.
her dad went missing for a reason?
Yeah.
You don't know what you're talking about. Let's just drive there and meet them.
Okay.
Your destination is on the right.
All right, we're here.
Okay, let's see this house, because normally the house is up.
Outside to meet them.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, this is probably gonna be my last time pausing for a while. I'm sorry for pausing a lot. But that house is a horror movie waiting to happen. Okay.
Okay, let's knock.
Okay. And how's she gonna answer the door? Let's see. Okay, I'm sorry for laughing. Oh, I'm not
Are
gonna
you
pause.
Helen?
Yes, I am she.
Can we come in and talk about what's going on?
Yes, but be quiet. I think my daughter's asleep.
How old is her?
Okay, we'll be quiet.
How old is her daughter?
Okay, Helen, thank you for sitting down with us. So, can you tell us what's going on with your daughter?
It's this stuffed animal. She's grown so attached to it. I don't know where she found that thing. I think she found it in the basement.
Why would you
She
hide it?
calls him Wiggles.
Okay.
So, what has she been doing with this stuffed animal?
I'm scared.
Everything. She plays with it. She sleeps with it. I even caught her bathing with it.
Okay.
What?
She will not let me take it away from her.
Have you
Okay.
tried separating her from this stuffed animal?
Yes, but she starts screaming and scratching until I return it.
Okay.
Sometimes at night, it sounds like there's a man in there with her. She locks herself in her room with it all day. I'm beginning to think.
Is that the daughter?
Is someone here?
Is it the daughter?
It's her daughter.
No.
What is she doing?
She's feeding it again.
Oh. What does she feed it? Okay, what's she getting? Wait a minute. Is that raw meat?
Look how much food she has.
That's the 4th time she's done that today.
First time.
I want to see what she's doing with that food.
We're still talking here.
Just wait.
Just as like, I'm out.
Chester.
I don't know why I was whispering.
I think she wanted to hear.
Okay. Let's see, what is, I mean, okay. Oh. That's what Wiggles looks like. Oh dear. Okay. Okay, oh. Okay, that's not a stuffed animal, I'm pretty sure. I think that thing's alive. And this is kind of making me fear my own stuffed animals. No. But anyway, that's besides the point. Is she okay? Oh, she... Uh-oh.
Come on. Just wait here.
Uh-oh, what's happening to Chester? How does she not notice Chester?
Chester. What's wrong?
Dude, it's her stuffed animal. She's feeding it.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I want to see.
What's the problem? She's sleepy.
Bro,
What?
you don't understand. She was feeding it, and it was eating.
I just have one question. Why does it have a human face? I'm pretty sure I would actually be terrified if one of my stuffed animals had a human face. But anyway,
She was probably just playing with it. Let's
like
start
a
setting up
realistic
some cameras.
face.
But bro,
Okay,
Come on.
setting up cameras. Alright.
Okay.
bro, you're not getting it. Her stuffed animal was eating that food. I think it's alive.
You think?
Well, even though you're being ridiculous right now, she shouldn't be wasting her mother's food.
What's ridiculous?
Here, help me find a lock.
Wait. Oh.
Alright, there.
Why is
Now
it?
there's no way she can get in there again.
Oh, it's It's the daughter.
She's right there.
Why she look scared?
Why was she peeping at us? I think we upset her.
She's probably just not used to strangers in her house. Let's just go to sleep.
I gotta check something first.
Where's he gonna check?
I think it's still in here.
Okay, I'm sorry for pausing again, but why? Why the face? Just why? I feel like if I was a kid and I had a stuffed animal that had a face like that, I would actually be scared, like out of my mind. But anyway. Is that
What happened?
I like to put my hand.
Chester?
I don't think that's Chester. Why is he getting close to it? Oh my god. Don't grab it. Don't, Chester. No.
Hey! What are you doing in here?
That's scary.
Bro, this thing just moved.
Let's just go to bed. Come on.
Yeah, just go to sleep and forget about this. We go to sleep. Oh, it's time for the nighttime footage. I'm excited. Okay. Oh. Okay. Is the daughter awake? Oh no. Wiggles ain't happy. What is he doing? Is Mr. Wiggles a he or a she? I'll just say they. I'll just say he, actually. What is he doing? I don't know why I'm getting scared, like nothing's even happened. Wiggles ain't happy. Wiggles ain't happy. Oh, she can't get him food because, like, the fridge is locked. Uh-oh. This isn't gonna end well. Oh, he's dancing. Okay. Okay. I just want to say that, I know this is off topic, but I actually have two stuffed animals. One is a Scooby-Doo stuffed animal, and the other is a cow stuffed animal that I call Moo Moo. And I've had them since I was little, and after watching this, I think I'm gonna be scared that my stuffed animals are gonna kill me in my sleep. Now you two better not come and kill me while I sleep, okay? I cared about you guys, alright? Do not you dare try to kill me in my sleep, okay? Okay. But anyway. I like how silent it is. Oh no. Oh. He's eating her because she didn't get him food? And no one's... Okay. Oh. Oh no. He saw the camera. And And he's leaving. Great. Oh, what's on the floor? What's on the floor? Okay. Where is he? Oh. There he is, but there's Wiggles. Did Mr. Wiggles eat the husband? Because I feel like he did. Or is Wiggles the husband? What is he dragging on the floor?
Bro, wake up. Do you hear that?
What is that?
Mr. Wiggles.
Come on, we gotta go check on Ellie.
Okay.
Bro, no.
He's gonna run into Mr. Wiggles.
Wait up.
Oh, wait, let's go in our room.
Yep, she's gone.
She's not in here.
Well, where do you think she went?
Yeah. Oh. Ew, what is that? I can't tell if that's hair or slime. Probably, or both. Oh no. Oh.
Dude, I think that's Helen.
Wiggles is going after Helen. If this happened to me, I'd be scared too. And okay. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, okay. That's gonna haunt me in my dreams now, or haunt me in my nightmares. If my stuffed animals ever do that to me, out they go. Out. No more second chances. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, he's swallowing her whole. Okay. Alright. And she's dead.
Did that thing get hurt too?
Don't tell me to open the door. Oh. Oh, what the? What? It's chasing Chester. Don't leave Chester. Oh, they escaped. Interesting. Okay, hold on. I gotta pause to read. Since filming, we haven't heard from Helen or her daughter. You don't say. We went on social media and reached out to some of Helen's family members. Okay, I'm scared what the family's gonna say. They said she had a son that went missing too. Oh, okay. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to big thumbs up. And I will see you the next time I post. Alright, that's it. Bye!